In the world of business finance, the numbers almost never make sense, but the jokes almost always do. Hello, my name is Comedy CFO, and I'm excited to take you on a humorous journey through the exciting but frequently perplexing world of financial management. If you currently run a company, have aspirations to do so in the future, or simply have an interest in gaining a deeper understanding of how the financial system functions, you have found the appropriate destination. Let's begin by defining what we mean when we talk about business finance. To put it another way, it is the practice of managing one's financial resources in order to increase one's financial wealth. Imagine it as being similar to the board game Monopoly, except that in addition to buying properties and moving the Go marker, you will also be responsible for managing your expenses, taxes, and investments. No matter the size of the company, managing the company's finances effectively is critical to its success. It requires making significant decisions regarding the company's finances, which can have an impact on the company's growth and success. There are a number of distinct methods that can be used to finance a business. One of the most typical examples is found in corporate finance. It is concerned with the management of a company's finances, such as how to raise money and invest it in order to accomplish the objectives of the company. The third type of finance is known as personal finance, and it refers to how an individual manages their own money, such as by creating a budget, saving money, and investing it in order to achieve their own objectives. But this is not the time or place to discuss major corporations. Instead, we would like to discuss the proprietor of the local small business. When it comes to matters of finance for a startup or a small company, there are many considerations to make. The question of money comes up first because it is the most important. Are you going to invest your own money, or are you going to take out a loan from the bank? What are your plans for the money once you have it in your possession? Equipment? Inventory? Does the mascot for your team have a large foam finger? Because of this, owners of small businesses need to be as resourceful as possible when it comes to bringing in and spending money. Creating a budget is another essential component of financial planning for a small business. In this section, you will review both your income and your expenses, and you will work to ensure that you are not spending more money than you earn. It's the equivalent of trying to cram all of your clothes into a suitcase before going on vacation, except with money instead of clothes in your company and place of vacation. The creation of a budget enables owners of small businesses to better monitor their finances, identify any potential issues that may arise, and determine how they can make the most efficient use of their available resources. Also, let's not forget about the taxes. An old proverb states that the only things in life that can be relied upon are death and taxes. However, if you work with an experienced accountant, they can assist you in reducing the amount of money that you spend on taxes. Keep in mind that regardless of how unappealing your receipts may be, you should always keep them in the event that you are ever subject to an audit. Because taxes can be difficult to comprehend, particularly for those who run small businesses, it is essential to familiarize oneself with the regulations and to collaborate with a tax expert in order to ensure compliance. The management of your cash flow is something else to keep in mind. This is the process by which incoming and outgoing financial resources are handled at the company. It is essential for the owners of small businesses to have a clear understanding of the dates on which they will receive money and the dates on which they will be required to pay it out. They will be better able to prepare for the future and avoid potential cash flow problems that could endanger the company as a result of this. And with that, that's a brief and, hopefully, humorous introduction to the world of business finance. Don't lose sight of the fact that although managing your finances can be challenging, the process need not be tedious. Therefore, you should get out there and have some fun while making some money. The show Comedy CFO has now come to an end.